Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So it's been almost 1 week we didn't do any motor vlog. It was I think last Saturday on Ganesh Chaturthi we did the first motor vlog. There was one more vlog that I did in the evening, but I couldn't edit that and upload that. Most probably the first video which I did on that day would be uploaded to my channel very soon. You guys can go and watch it, and if you guys like it, you can definitely like, share, subscribe, and any feedbacks would be greatly appreciated. So you can comment down and let me know where I can improve, where are the areas of improvement where I might have done a couple of mistakes. So I'll definitely take those into consideration and will try to improve that. So yeah, it's been almost 1 week, so I thought why not, let's shoot one more vlog. It's a bright sunny day. Okay, so the time right now is 11:25. I know it's a bit too late. We could have started early morning, but I was stuck and held up in something, household work. Very soon we'll be planning bigger rides, maybe in the next month, to some beach or probably a hill station. The place is not finalized yet. So yeah, I'll be posting the updates, whatever is finalized, and wherever I'll be planning the trip on my Instagram channel. I mean the Instagram handle. So make sure you do subscribe to my channel as well as you follow me on Instagram. I'll mention the Instagram account link somewhere in the video or the description. You may and go and follow me on Instagram as well. I know I would be doing a lot of mistakes, so it will take definitely a lot of time for me to become the kind of, not perfect I would say, but a kind of average or a moderate motor vlogger, where I can give you guys good quality contents for you to watch and enjoy. Right now we are heading towards the Wild Meenakshi Mall. From there we'll probably take a left turn towards the Bannerghatta Zoo road, because that's where I travel very often on the weekends. It's actually less traffic area, less crowded, and there probably we can go and have a cup of tea maybe. It is a Sunday and it's a bit traffic in this area. It is the usual expected traffic that you will find on any weekend in Bangalore. On my left hand side we have a big tower, actually a big building. It's quite nice. And on my straight, hardly at 50 or 100 meters, you see the Wild Meenakshi Mall. So we'll take a left turn before that, because going from that we might encounter more traffic that side. So we'll take this left. Very soon I think we'll plan to go towards Nandi Hills and cover Adiyogi as well on the same day. It was hardly I think 25 to 30 kilometers from Nandi Hills to Adiyogi. So So I was thinking, like, I have been there a couple of times, but I was thinking to cover that Nandi Hills so that I can shoot a motovlog towards that side of the area, and I can show you guys some scenic views. So let's see when we plan. Actually, it's a bit hectic around this month. I don't have any holiday in my office. But from next month onwards, definitely there is at least one holiday in every month where we can plan some beautiful rides outside Bangalore or maybe outside Karnataka. So we'll see how it goes. So that's the reason I mentioned earlier, like whatever rides I'll be planning, I'll be posting well in advance on my Instagram account. So make sure you guys do follow me on my Instagram as well, and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I really need all of your support. Again, this side I think we have a bit traffic. You guys can also suggest me any other place in Bangalore that you want me to cover, like which probably is not discovered or not crowded that much, like not much people have visited that place. So if you guys know any such place, you can definitely suggest me. I would love to plan a ride towards that place. I love to travel and explore places where not much people have been there. So yeah, please let me know if you know any such place. We have a lovely BMW going. It's so damn gorgeous. So from here we need to take a left turn, I guess. It's a bit crowded today as it is a Sunday. The usually expected crowd and the usual expected traffic. Yeah, as you can see in the signboard, it's 1.5 kilometers towards the left, Bannerghatta Zoo or the Bannerghatta Biological Park. One-way road, I guess. The same road is being used for going as well as coming, so it wouldn't be that great. It's very difficult to take pass from the cars or the bigger vehicles on the road, and they also do sudden braking, which is not at all safe for the other people. Yeah, so from here you guys need to take a little bit right, slight right, I would say, or you can say the road wherever it follows, you follow that road, not taking the smaller roads. Yeah, here you can see the entrance, Bannerghatta Biological Park, Bangalore. So from here their premises start, I guess. We have good amount of restaurants and shops for refreshment. I think they are taking tickets for the four-wheelers, parking tickets, I guess. Nope, this was not for ticket. This was for giving pass to the other vehicle, which is good. So yeah, I won't be going inside the zoo because I have already been there plenty of times. Just wanted to show you guys, just wanted to give a kind of heads up for the people who don't know, who haven't visited the Bannerghatta Biological Park. So yeah, here it is. This is the way you can follow. From wherever you are staying, you can set your Google map to Bannerghatta Biological Park and it should take you here. So I guess from here only I would be taking a U-turn back to my home. You have a lot of toy shops for small kids. They would love to visit here. You guys can definitely visit this place along with your family, your kids, and I'm sure they are gonna love it. You must do the safari either in bus or a jeep. Anything would be fine, but that is a kind of must do. You should definitely try the safari, jungle safari, where you'll get to see a lot of wild animals. Yeah, that's all. So I have taken a U-turn towards my home. So this was it, a short motovlog towards the Bannerghatta Biological Park. You guys, whenever you want, you should definitely visit. It's a must-visit kind of place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you for watching. This is Abhishek Giri signing off. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Until then, ride safe. Thank you.